So you clicked on this video because you wanted to know what to know about ChatGPT. Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle, where I love to inform, educate, and inspire. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe so you can be alerted to new videos that are coming up. Well, first of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is Guys, it is literally telling us that ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot based on the GPT 3.5 architecture developed by OpenAI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a type of deep learning model designed for natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate human-like responses to a wide range of queries, etc. If you are a beginner, if you have already downloaded the app, or if you're here for information, I do want to go over their terms of use. I have highlighted specific topics within the terms of use section in their app. I'm going to be reading off word for word what I've highlighted within their app. We are now inside of the ChatGPT app, OpenAI. We're under the terms of use, and this is the mobile version. The terms of use were updated March 14th, 2023. You have the registration and access. You must be at least 13 years old to use the services. If you are under 18, you must have your parent or legal guardian's permission to use the services. If you use the services on behalf of another person or entity, you must have the authority to accept the terms on their behalf. You must provide accurate and complete information to register for an account. You may not make your access credentials or account available to others outside your organization, and you are responsible for all activities that occur using your credentials. Content, your content. You may provide input to the services, quote unquote input, and receive output generated and returned by the services based on the input, quote unquote output. Input and output are collectively content. As between the parties and to the extent permitted by applicable law, you own all input. Subject to your compliance with these terms, OpenAI hereby assigns to you all its right, title, and interest in and to output. This means you can use content for any purpose, including commercial purposes such as sale or publication, if you comply with these terms. OpenAI may use content to provide and maintain the services, comply with applicable law, and enforce our policies. You are responsible for content, including for ensuring that it does not violate any applicable law or these terms. We're moving on to section B, which is under content. Similarity of content. Due to the nature of machine learning, output may not be unique across users, and the services may generate the same or similar output for OpenAI or a third party. For example, you may provide input to a model, such as what color is the sky, and receive output such as the sky is blue. Other users may also ask similar questions and receive the same response. Responses that are requested by and generated for other users are not considered your content. Letter C, use of content to improve services. We do not use content that you provide to or receive from our API, quote unquote, API content to develop or improve our services. We may use content from services other than our API, quote unquote, non API content to help develop and improve our services. You can read more here about how non API content may be used to improve model performance. If you do not want your API content used to improve services, you can opt out by filling out this form. Please note that in some cases, this may limit the ability of our services to better address your specific use case. Letter D, accuracy. And remember, this is still under content. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly evolving fields of study. We are constantly working to improve our services to make them more accurate, reliable, safe, and beneficial. Given the probabilistic nature of machine learning, use of our services may in some situations result in inaccurate output that does not accurately reflect real people, places, or facts. You should evaluate the accuracy of any output as appropriate for your use case, including by using human review of the output. I ask that you do your due diligence and continue to research. Make sure you look over the other information that I did not go over. I only highlighted a couple of areas, and be very mindful of the rules. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.